Most make money online advice is keeping you broke, and here's why. In this video, we're going to talk about why so many people fail online, why traditional advice doesn't work, and what is actually working in 2025. So why do so many people fail at business online? Oftentimes they are following advice that is very generic and not actually actionable. So they are learning the big picture advice, but they're not getting down to the nitty-gritty steps of you need to do this, and then this, and then this, and then this. That's oftentimes the issue with utilizing and consuming a lot of free advice that you're getting on social media, is that a lot of the content that you find out there, they will tell you the broad steps that you need to take, but they don't tell you the actions you need to take step by step by step or on a daily basis to actually build your business and make it work and to make the sales. Another reason is sometimes they're following advice that's outdated. So we all know the algorithms change all the time, and the advice is different from platform to platform. So if you are doing one strategy on TikTok, you cannot necessarily take that exact same strategy and expect it to work on Instagram or on YouTube. Each platform's algorithm is different and operates differently, and they have different metrics and things that they prioritize at any given time. And that changes, right? So it used to be all about likes that we would get. And now more and more likes on the different programs have gone away because it's really easy just to like double tap, right? And hit a like. And so pretty much, most people, they consider that engaging. Oh, I'm engaging with everyone. But that's not really getting you the engagement metrics that you need, where, if someone saves your content or someone actually leaves a meaningful question or comment on your content, that is going to go a whole lot further with the algorithm than just a like. So you need to make sure that you're following advice, especially if it's about social media, that is current to what is going on today. Because the other thing is they're always giving out new updates to the apps as well. And you need to be, hot tip, if you're not, you need to be making sure that you're utilizing whatever the new big idea is that they're pushing out, right? So if that's stories or if it's lives or whatever the new thing is, you want to be making sure that if you have that available to you, that you are utilizing the new features that come out as they come out. And the other big thing that trips people up is that they hear these stories about how, I made $60,000 in 3 days, right? And so they fall for the whole get rich quick scheme versus actually taking the time to truly build their business and give value and create a community within their social media of people that know, like, and trust you. I'm sure you heard me say that many times, but it's really, really important. And so they think that they can just, get rich quick overnight, post a few videos, and they're going to be instantly rich, and then they're bummed and they don't know what they're doing wrong when that doesn't happen. But what's happening is oftentimes they're not seeing the behind the scenes of all the work and years and experience that someone has put in to get them to that point. That, or the person has invested in and spent a lot of money in a coach that is holding their hand and helping them build it and get the followers really fast, but that's because of all of their previous experience, right? So it takes time to build a presence, and it takes time to build on social media, but if you stick with it and you stay consistent, it will happen. You just have to have the patience and keep putting in the work, and you will figure it out, and you will grow your following, and you will be able to make the sales. So you might be saying, okay, that's great. You can say that, but like, how do I know when it's working? How do I not know when it's working? I don't have a plan. Like, how, where do I go from here? So you can leverage strategic plans that are already out there and created for you, and leverage automated systems that have already been proven to work. So a lot of times these are the done for you products where the product is proven, it is already sold to multiple customers over and over and over again. You know that this is a product that people want to buy, and they have a system in place to teach people how to sell this. That's one route. Another route, like I just talked about, could be hiring a coach to help you that has done this in their business, that can plug you into their system that has worked for them and their clients so that you can build using them. Another thing you can do to make sure that you have consistent income versus just, maybe you make a sale here and you've got $1,000 sale here, and then 2 months go by and you make nothing, and then you get another $1,000 sales there, and you're like, great, I've done it, I figured it out, I've made some sales, but I can't live off this because it's not predictable and it's not consistent. So one of the things you can do there to tweak that is to come up with a reoccurring income stream versus a one-time sale. So this could be like a community where people pay, I don't know, making it up, $29 to be in a community, and you're getting that month and month over month if they stay in that community. And so that's a more predictable income stream. And you're constantly providing value and information within that community instead of just creating it one time in a course. So you just have to decide, do you want to go the route of creating a course once and selling it like you're done and then you just focus on the marketing and the selling it? Or do you want to create the reoccurring income stream where you're providing value within a community and you're getting people to pay you on a monthly basis to stay in that community? Or you can do a mixture of both. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for my next one on what gurus don't tell you about making money with passive income.